Hi everyone, I'm Shinu. We present MiRANews, dataset and benchmarks for multi-resource assisted news summarization. Single document summarization aims at generating a summary for a single document. One of the most challenging problems is that the summary often contains hallucinations. In other words, content that are not grounded in the original document. In this work, we focus on one type of hallucinations, the extrinsic hallucination. It is the phenomenon where the summary includes facts that are not present in the source document, which are often derived from the world knowledge. To solve this problem, we assume that articles from alternative news resources covering the same news event can complement the background knowledge. So we introduce a new task, MiRANews, aiming at generating a summary for the corresponding news article with the support of related assistant documents as the background knowledge. Importantly, our task is different from both single document summarization and multi-document summarization. The former aims at generating a summary for a single main document. The latter one creates a holistic summary covering essential facts in multiple documents, while MiRANews still aims to generate a summary for a single document, but with supporting facts from multiple assisting documents. We report benchmark results on MiRANews. We also introduce new metrics to quantitatively evaluate extrinsic hallucination. On one hand, by evaluating the dataset, we confirm that introducing assisting documents offers better groundings to facts mentioned in the reference summaries. On the other hand, by evaluating the system outputs, we show that modeling assisting document effectively results in less counterfactual hallucinations than single document summarization systems. We use newser.com to collect news articles with their assisting documents. Each web page reports a news event and includes editor picks links to the relevant articles from other news websites. We consider each article, together with the page cited therein, as a cluster about one news event. We extract the document and the corresponding summary from each web page automatically, following the method introduced in Newsroom. To create the corpus, we take each document in the cluster as the main document and its corresponding summary as the target summary, while taking the rest documents in the cluster as the assisting documents. In general, MiRANews contains 57,000 clusters, from which we collected 150,000 examples in total, with an average of 1.7 assisting document per instance. Next, we need to answer the question: how much information the assisting documents can offer for the summarization of the main document. We evaluate with 4 metrics on the training set. In this video, we only introduce SF weights. We weight each fact in the summary using its maximum semantic similarities to the facts in the document. The SF weight is then defined as the average weight over all facts in the summary. A high score indicates that the facts in the summaries are well supported by the facts mentioned in the document. We weight facts in the summaries using facts in the main document only, assisting documents only, and both. As expected, SF weight SD is higher than SA, indicating that the summary mainly contains facts from the main document and cannot be generated from assisting documents alone. However, SF weights SD and A is higher than SD, which indicates that the assisting documents provide additional information beyond the main document. Now, we need to answer following questions: how to model the assisting document effectively? Can modeling assisting document benefit abstractive summarization and result in less extrinsic hallucination than single document summarization systems? To answer the first 2 questions, we test 4 variations for the base model. In this video is BART large. BART single considers the main document as the input, replicating the single document summarization setup. BART concat appends the assisting documents at the end of the main document. BART pipeline introduces a weak supervised content extraction for the assisting document and concatenates the selected content to the end of the main document. BART Gold introduced a heuristic upper bound by concatenating the gold assisting content selection to the end of the main document. The results of Rouge and the BART score show that the BART pipeline outperforms the BART single, which indicates that introducing assisting document benefits the summarization. The BART pipeline outperforms the BART concat, indicates that the better content selection improves the performance of the abstractive models. The margin between gold upper bound and the rest is notable, which suggests that there is room for improvements of content selection. To answer the last question, we calculate SF weights for the system output, which indicate how much the facts in generated summaries are grounded in the main and the assisting documents. The results show that BART concat and pipeline achieve higher SF weight scores. In other words, the system output demonstrates a lower level of extrinsic hallucination. We also introduce human evaluation, which also indicates a similar trend. Thanks for watching.